You're past the hump of winter, and now your thoughts turn to spring and summer and planting your gardens. You'd like to think that this year you will avoid the aggravation of plants destroyed by deer and diseases that deer can bring. Kudos to these gardeners. They've kept the deer away. Let's talk about how they might be doing it. One surefire way to keep deer from destroying your plants is to strategically place deer-resistant plants in your garden. One of the main benefits of deer-resistant plants is that they gently send deer on their way. The dining experience includes unpleasant scents, uncomfortable textures, and unappealing tastes. Believe it or not, deer have a stronger sense of smell than dogs. Aromatic plants that deer dislike include peonies, salvia, and lavender, plants that are delightfully fragrant for humans. Fuzzy and leathery foliage can create unpleasant mouth tickles for deer. Plants with these characteristics include agave, sunflower, and lamb's ears. Deer might approach them, but typically change their minds. There are beautiful plants that taste bitter or spicy, and the deer don't like them. Among them are daffodils, foxgloves, and poppies. Strategic planting means placing these deer turnoffs on the borders of gardens and around and near the plants deer love. The best deer deterrent plant will include the additional protection of Bobex, the #1 deer repellent, as determined by the State of Connecticut Department of Forestry and Horticulture. Bobex deer repellents not only deter deer, they contain elements beneficial for vegetation development. All Bobex products are safe for plants, people, pets, wildlife, and aquatic life. With a 1-2 punch of deer-resistant plants and Bobex deer repellent, your garden will flourish, undeterred by deer. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.